Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. So today I'm going to do the unboxing of this Moreart Diorama. There's nothing on the sides. It's just says Moreart, my model one world. So let's open this up and let's see which one we have inside. Okay. And there we have this catalog. We just have some directions on it. And because I have 2-3 dioramas already, I don't think we need to read these directions so much. There's something. This is one package sealed totally. And this is acrylic. Looks bent here. In the sealed package, you can see it is totally sealed. And the way they packed it, it is bent. You can see it comes directly bent here. See, you see that there's something, I don't know if it's going to be okay or not. So these are the items in the box. Let's put the box on the side. Let's put this here, and let's open this and cut it open. All the pieces out. So this was the acrylic I was talking about. This little bit bend, but I think it will be fine. Not very much bent, but it's still bent. This is side wall. This is another side wall. This is probably the back wall. Looks nice. And here's your top. This is your top with the LED, and this is like the ventilation in the diorama. Okay, so we have this also. Let's put this out. Let's put this out and put this here. And this is the bottom of the diorama. Yeah, this is the bottom. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put all this together, but before that I'm going to clean it a little bit. There's some, I don't know, it's dust or something on it. I have this brush to clean. It's probably the dust of the material they are using. Let's clean this totally. well. Let's clean this as well. So these kind of dioramas are the easiest one to install. Just put this here, the small is here, and now this wall on this side. Yeah, I think. Yeah, goes well. And this wall on this side. Yeah, goes good. This probably goes like here, I think. Yeah, go there. I mean, this is just super duper easy to install, I think. Oh yeah, we just put it here. You need to match all the grooves. Wait a second, let me. It's a tough thing sometimes. It's easy, but it is very tough to keep it like that. Usually what I do, I just glue it, super glue it, usually at the time I'm installing it. But this time I'm not super gluing it because I am out of the glue. What I'll do, I'll just put it here. I'll just try to match it like this if I can. Let's see. This goes fine. So I guess this goes fine. Okay, now this side is going down actually. This is a very tough thing to do, man. Seriously, for me, I always stuck in this thing, but once it is fixed, it is good. Once it is fixed, it is good. So it's going to be like this, okay? Now let's see. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to fix it offline and then I'll show you guys, okay? Give me a moment. Oh, it took me a while to adjust this, and yeah, has been adjusted better now. You can see how does it look. So this is how it is. So this is the back, and let's connect this. I don't know how to connect this, but let's see. Never did that. And it does have like two different, I don't know why these are like two. Never did something like this. Okay, so it goes in like this here. I don't know why they gave this. It's already, not sure. If you guys know, just let me know, guys, please. So we have a button here, we have this cable, and this is like single cable, but we have two different connections here. I don't know why. You guys gonna tell me, okay? Let's light this up. Let's see. Yeah, it lights up. yeah, controlled by this button mechanism. Looks good, right? Looks really good, really good. Let's put this here and let's adjust the camera angle onto. Okay, so I have adjusted the camera angle so that you can see the whole thing inside, right? Now we will put these. I think there are grooves here. We will try to put these in those grooves. Let's see how it goes. This is like really big. Oh wow, looks cool actually. You see that? This is a very big piece, but it goes all in. And it looks really cool, really cool. Let's put all these. I'm really happy that I have bought this diorama. I was looking for this from a very long time and it came accidentally across this. And now I love it. So we have 6 cars diorama here, and these groups were 7, this one extra. They always give pieces like this extra so that if we break something or misses something, at least we have one more. So the first car I'm going to place is this beauty from the pop race, and it parks very good, very well. Next is another pop race, of course. Let's put this here. Yeah, places well. Next I'm going to put is this RX-7. Now time for this beauty from the Mini GT. Next I'm going to place the GR86. And the last one is the Supra. This just looks so dope and so cool. And now it's time to close the lid, but before that we have to remove this film from the lid. Oh, I'm sorry for that. Here's one more on it. Now let's just slide the door. Wow, it looks so cool. So damn cool. Do let me know, guys, what do you think about this diorama? I mean, I'm just digging this. I love it. This is dope, super dope. And especially with this function, the light switch. So thank you so much for watching. This is all for today. See you in the next one.